Hello, my friend. I just wake up. Um, I'm gonna make a quick trip to Dipolog, or maybe a long one. I'm not sure. Uh, some few things to resolve up there. The house, of course. Um, some personal things that I need to have with me, and that's probably about it. That's probably about it. But I need to do that trip because I got some of things that I need to do. So don't go away. There's a lot happening. I tell you what. Okay, I just look on my phone to book a trip to Dipolog. I need to go very urgently. I mean, I don't want to wait. There's some urgent matter as well, and which is it's not a great concern. It's just things that you need to do. Um, Guy, I tell you what, I'm trying to book a flight for today to Dipolog, and wow, 17,000 pesos. Whew. I mean, tomorrow will be 7,000, and then after that it will go down. So what I decided to do is to get a ferry. For the ferry, I did that. I don't know if you remember when I went for my surgery, and then on the way back I got stuck in Cebu and put in quarantine. Yeah, that was not nice, but yeah, it's a ferry going straight from Cebu to Dipolog, and it's Medallion Transport. So if you Google that, and there's through one to go. So let's have a look. Yeah, they do Cebu, Dipolog, 8:30 p.m. So you spend the whole night on the ferry. It's okay. It's no matter. It's no big deal for me. 1560 for one way. It's a 12 hours ferry, so you sleep on the boat. Yeah, I'm getting the bike to the port because there's too much traffic now.
Hello, vlogger.
Looks like the truck first. We after waiting. Lady of good fortune. I hope so. The whole crew, and they're really, really nice. They don't mind to be filmed, so that's good. We're gonna have a good night, I think. So the ship's gonna leave soon. Yeah.
Yes.
It's late. I think a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
That's not gonna spend the night, but I prefer something low. I don't think anybody's gonna swap with me. Anybody gonna swap with me to go up? Yeah, I got my dinner now. I'm waiting for my change now.
It's 150, sir.
Not bad. Okay, guess what, guys? I just met another vlogger. I'm probably more popular than I am in the Philippines. 100,000 subscribers. Maria Gaga. And who she is?
Hi guys, welcome to the Philippines. I know you've been here in the Philippines already, but welcome you again here.
Okay. I'm by Wi-Fi. Otherwise, once you're in the sea, You can't talk to anybody. Huh?
We don't have. You don't have.
You want to watch a movie at least? Yeah, 20 pesos for 12 hours. That's honestly, that's very cheap. I'm connected. Wow. Thank you so much. Okay, I think we're departing now. Yeah, we're departing. Good.
Hey, vlogger.
Right to Dipolog.
Hello.
And they all agreed to be filmed, so it's good. I got authorization.
Where are you from, sir?
Australia.
Ah, you're vlogging? You have a Facebook
Yeah.
page?
But I live here now, 6 years. Again, 4 a.m. The sea is very rough. We arrived Dipolog. It's 10 past 6. Normally it says 8:30. It's a bit early to check into the hotel. We arrived. Big queue to get out. So I better wait here, no rush. Nobody waiting for me. feel something in my heart, of course. My little girl is here. Not sure if I'll see her, because not here for a long time, only a few days. Okay, let's go McDonald's, have breakfast. Up some of my stuff. It's okay. The driver thought I was talking to him. So I got a luggage of valuable things, which I didn't left in my house, of course. And I'm gonna go pick that up, bring to the hotel. And amongst the things, a charger that I forgot to bring with me. So let's get there. Nobody at home. I'm gonna leave Plaza and I gotta do a few things, buy a few things, and then I'll try to contact someone. Okay, I'm at Lee Plaza here. It's not a big mall whatsoever, there's no Ayala by far, but we can find a few things. Okay, that's the one I'm renting for $650 a day. It's a Honda F1. Must be click, yeah. Okay, let's go. I haven't prayed for a while at this church, so it's time to do it. Since I got this bike and some raincoats, I know the brake is took two for now. You see. And then good, I may bring a couple more for Cebu. There we go. 33 peso each. Probably won't last, but I don't like the heavy ones, too hard. happened. Used to be a restaurant before, and there's still a restaurant with a different owner. Oh, let's see what they got there. Trying to organize the luggage, a lot of stuff, personal, paperwork, documents, clothes, second laptop. I'm gonna take it back to Cebu. Because for now, I haven't decided what I'm going to do with my future. Back to Cebu and then back here again and live here. It's all the options are open. So anyway, that luggage work make me so tired. I had to open 2 luggage, empty things, sort out, and I had to run around to buy a few things. So it's been a very, very busy day. That's it. Oh my god, this is a surf for 2. But I'm by myself. Damn it.